In the Trading Edge today, we're taking a look at what it's like to be a woman on the trading floor. Joining me now is Carolyn Leonard. She is the founder of Diamond, but prior to owning her own company, she was one of the first ladies to trade on the trading floor here at the Chicago Board Options Exchange, CBOE. So thanks so much for coming on the show.
Thank you for having me. It's always a pleasure to walk back onto the trading floor, although it's changed a lot over the years.
It has changed a lot. All right, so let's talk about what was it like for you getting a start in the industry?
Getting a start in the industry, I was not warmly welcomed. In fact, the first day that I had walked onto the trading floor and purchased my seat and was going to be an independent market maker, the crowd I decided to trade in, the two big brokers came up to me and said, "Don't take it personally, sweetheart. We've never traded with a woman and we're not trading with you."
So fast forward, what happened? What were you trading at the time?
At the time I was trading equities. I was trading in a rather small pit. It had about 30 traders and about 4 independent floor brokers. And only 2 of the men actively traded with me in the pit. So if an order came in, the brokers would trade with the men, and then the men would turn around and bid out the options to me. Now the reason they did it was I was trading highly illiquid options and they wanted to spread off their risk.
So what would happen with your trades? Did you eventually make money here?
I absolutely eventually made money here. I traded for 21 years. And what happened was one day I was trading 3M, which was one of the very illiquid stocks. And one afternoon, 3M on a Friday closed at $44. Following Monday, it opens at $52.
Whoa.
Yeah, imbalance to buy, massive imbalance to buy. And the 2 guys that were trading 3M with me looked at all the brokers and the men who wouldn't trade with me and said, "We are done splitting orders. Either you trade with the broad,
okay,
or you're not trading with us." And after that day, I, number one, that day put me in business. My trading account quintupled at the end of that day, and at the end of the week I had 6 figures. I also had broken the barrier for acceptance to be a female trader.
You did break barriers, and I have to tell you, I'm on this trading floor with everybody every day, and I feel like I have 100 big brothers. I feel like they look out for me, and woe to the person that should ever give me a problem.
Absolutely.
It's been amazing for me to be here, so thank you for that. But I also want to ask you, what advice would you give to a woman today who wants to get into the industry?
Number one, as a woman, first of all, the opportunities in financial services industry for women are incredible.
There are a lot of jobs available.
Incredible. And interestingly enough, when women start out in the financial services industry, 47% of new hires are women. It's as they go up the ladder that the male traits that make men successful in the industry take over, like aggression, domineering. A lot of the things that I faced early on in my career are still active.
But you were able to get over that. So what did you do? Because otherwise, you know, when a woman acts aggressively, it's not always welcomed.
No, it absolutely isn't. Well, I decided that I didn't try to be one of the guys. So I didn't try to masculize myself. I used what I had as a woman. And as a woman, I dressed very lovely. I always was the lady. And I was strong, but I was strong from a feminine point of view, I didn't copy the boys. I used what I had, what I was born with.
Very good. Well, thank you so much for being
Thank you.
coming on the show.
I don't know how to do it any other way.
Good. That's good. Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.